Let's talk about the VIVO smartphone T3 Ultra with extra slim design. Now let's talk about their specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.78 inches 1.5K punch hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, approximately 452 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits local peak brightness, HDR10+. Color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with shot sensation alpha glass protection, and now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony IMX921 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of OS upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex-X3 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus, 4nm chipset. Paired with MOTOROLA's G715 MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.16 by 74.93 by 7.58 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options, frost green, lunar gray colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 80-watt wired flash charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C, headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with 4023 square millimeters VC cooling system support. So now let's have a look at the pricing. Details of the smartphone. The VIVO T3 Ultra has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 31,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this VIVO T3 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.